Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to create an AI dance video using FlexClip's AI image to video tool. On the AI image to video page, start by logging into your account. Next, choose the Kling 2.6 motion control model on the left. Upload an image and a dance video by following the on-screen instructions. You can also try one of the sample assets. For more accurate results, turn on the prompt section and describe the motion or effect you want. Then, choose whether the character's orientation should be based on the video or the image. Select your target video resolution. Before generating, adjust the visibility settings. You can choose to post your AI creation to the community, generate a shareable link, or keep it private so only you can view it. Once everything is ready, click Generate. In just a few minutes, your AI dance video will be ready. Preview the generated video. You can download it directly or continue editing it on the video editing page. Next, open the history section and click on a video. Here, you can view video details, access additional AI tools, recreate the video, share it on social media, copy the share link, or adjust visibility settings. Go back to the history page to manage your creations. You can download, delete, or edit multiple videos at once. And in the top right corner, you can browse your videos by category. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.